Hi, this is Cheryl. I've had some questions on how to upload your NEA membership, background checks, other documents that you're requested to put in Standard for Success. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that. I have logged in as my Decision Point 3 Sandbox student, so this should look very similar to what you see when you log into Standard for Success. At the top, you have your checklist, and then in the middle section, you will have your profile information. So you're going to go to the forms area here and click overview. It will list all the forms that you may be required to upload. You are going to select NEA membership verification from that list. You will choose a file. You will have had to previously save a file, a screenshot of your welcome letter, a screenshot of the membership status from the NEA website, or your membership card. You choose that and upload the attachment. Once the attachment is visible here, I will just pick some random thing here, and I don't actually have that NEA membership. Upload attachment. So now you see the attachment here. You will then sign off that you are doing that and update NEA membership verification. To do that, now you will see that particular form up in your checklist items. Hope that helps you with that type of upload that you are required for the program. If you have any questions, give me a holler.